Kaya, cooking with Kaya, cooking with Kaya. Hey, hey. Yo, what's up, bro? How are you? Whoa. I don't even want to know what you're even doing, bro. It was nothing, bro. It was nothing. I promise you, it was nothing, bro. It was nothing. I don't think it was nothing, mate. I'm pretty sure I saw something that I can't unsee now. Bro, listen, man, it was nothing. There's nothing to see here, bro. There's nothing to see here. Okay, alright. I get it. It's nothing. If you want to say that. It's a joke, isn't it? Calm down. Anyway, I was just asking if you could just get me a sandwich from the fridge. What's the point? The fridge is right there. Just go get it yourself. Well, I can't bother, so just get it me or else I'll beat your ass, mate. What? Punk. Like he's gonna do something. You trying to say something? What was that? Huh? Nah, it was nothing. It must have been a ghost or something. I ain't said anything, bro. Yeah. What I thought. Oh my gosh, bro. Let me just go get the sandwich. Bro, what the? Yo, bro, where is my... What is you doing, bro? Why are you making out with my Alf? Bro, I'm not making out with your Alf, bro. He attacked me. You know what, bro? Keep the sandwich. I don't even want it anymore. I'm ordering some pizza, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Sup YouTube, it's Nacho here and welcome back to another video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I did, you know. Obviously I am going to because I created the video, but yeah, there's so much parts of the video that I ended up cutting out because it didn't really work out well, but still, I still think the video turned out well. So yeah, I guess that's it. So I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay cheesy.
Bro, what the hell was that?
What? Do you not get it? Like cheesy, like nacho cheese, like was that not good?
No.
Oh. Okay. Well, this is getting a bit awkward.
I'm off the grid. Got tats on my ribs, tattoos on my wrists. Agitated my kids.